roasted Brussels sprouts with dates and Manchego. It's my Thanksgiving staple, but it's good all year round. Make it with me. Just trimming the bottom of these Brussels sprouts and halving them. I'm gonna roast them in a 400-degree oven. They're gonna get nice and charred and a little crispy. All these loose leaves, they'll get crispy. I make this dish every Thanksgiving, and I always bulk it up. I make like 2 or 3 times the recipe, and I always think it's gonna be enough, and it never is. Drizzle with a little extra virgin olive oil and some salt and pepper. Toss it together. You wanna make sure each and every sprout and leaf is covered with the oil. That's what'll make them nice and crispy. All right, now this is the OCD part. Place them cut side down, each one of them. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. While those roast, I'm going to make the dressing. Honey, a couple tablespoons of honey, and then whole grain mustard, which adds a little tang. And then also apple cider vinegar, which helps cut through some of the sweetness. A little extra virgin olive oil. And just a little salt and pepper. You have salt from the cheese, you have salt and pepper on the Brussels sprouts already, but just a little to the dressing. Whisk. It's done. That's ready. Onto my dates. I have about half a cup or so of pitted dates. If they're not pitted, no big deal. You just cut them down the middle and you remove the large pit inside. It's super simple. So we are gonna roughly chop the dates. Add our dates into the dressing. My Brussels sprouts are ready. I can smell them. I'm gonna add them directly into the bowl with the dressing and the dates. Toss it together in the dressing. I can immediately smell that apple cider vinegar and some shredded Manchego cheese. It's so good. Let's plate it up. There we go, roasted Brussels sprouts with dates and Manchego. I hope you make it and enjoy it.